take it personal. I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying.
Well, family, I think the heat may have kind of I'm so disappointed, but it's okay. It's my first time trying, so I'm just gonna try again. Like, I'm having issues with my tomato plant now. It produced so many flowers, but I think that the heat from what I was researching was giving it issues pollinating and everything, and it just hasn't produced any fruit, guys. And I'm gonna have to research like this right here to see why those leaves are turning yellow like that. It's been really hot. I've seen a lot of gardeners say that their plants were stressed this year because of the heat, extreme heat, and at least I know that I can get it to this point and it flower. I just know, just to research a little more. And I did learn, certain things with the heat to try to, help pollinate, that you would come and kind of wiggle the flowers to help help it go down the stem and everything. But I know by now I should have, fruit and everything. So, yeah, we're just going to try again. The pepper plant, yeah, we're getting flowers, but nothing yet. Again, I'm not giving up. So yeah, we're gonna clean this backyard patio up this weekend. We're gonna get all of this dirt out because that was an epic fail with the potatoes. I just think I did my soil wrong. I don't think it was the technique. I believe I did my soil wrong. So, but it's early, about 7 a.m. and I'm getting ready to log on to work, and I will get with you guys later. What's up, family? So I am extremely ecstatic right now. As you can see, as you always see in my videos, I have my Jalen necklace on, right? So yesterday I broke it. I broke the chain, and it was extremely emotional for me because I have not taken this necklace off since the day of his funeral, and it went straight from his neck to mine. And the mere fact of it being, I'm sorry, give me 1 second, this music. All right, we should be good now. So the mere fact of it not being on my neck at any time was extremely emotional for me, right? So yeah, that it was emotional. But a good friend, shout out to you, Tiff, talked me through it as she was on the phone when it happened, and I'm so happy leaving the jewelry repair store and it's fixed, and I got my baby necklace back around my neck. I felt extremely naked without it, but I got it back. So I'm so happy. Oh my God, like, oh my God, it means so much to me to have this necklace. I almost let Jalen keep it, and one of my second mothers, she on that day told me it's okay to keep it. I'm so glad that she suggested for me to do that. So I'm happy. I'm happy because my heart was aching on yesterday after it happened. So yeah, I just wanted to update y'all, let y'all see I'm back. Yeah, I got it back.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things settle for no. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do.
Break it on down. Hey, break it on, hey, break it on down. You better pick it on down. Now tell me. We got very special photo booth. Your nephew, DJ Joker.
Just as fine as she can be. I can't stop these tears from falling from my eyes. I'm going down, baby.
Gotta ride this out right here.
Down.
Happy birthday, Mr. Brian.
Your brain is blazing, so wide awake. For the last time, for real, don't stop. Just keep rolling down.
Keep your mind, keep your mind, keep your mind.
Here we go.
What y'all know about love, man?
Very special.
Chanel magazine. Lip tip twist of tears. And there's a bad girl. It's a bad girl. Please, please, act like you know me.
Uh-oh.
I need to log off, I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks too. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too.
What's good? Hey, hey, hey.
Y'all, so I'm down here. I just found a parking space and I'm trying to see if we need chairs like we normally do, but it looks like they have us under a tent with tables and stuff this time. So I guess I'll find out when I get over there if I need to walk back and get my my chair or not. So I will let you all know once I make it there.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night time get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I'm knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress it, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you set it fire.
Like a training out the womb. My partner yelling too soon. Don't read some leather. Sure on the subject. You sure got your back like chiropract. Take it then, do you dirty in detergent. Now hurry, go on to the altar. Remember what I taught you. Keep your heart 3 stacks. Keep your heart 3 stacks. Keep your heart. Man, these girls so smart. Play your part. Play your part.
Desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blem. Let's make amends. No, you can, I'm out here.
Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right.
I'll be your flies if you step outside. Because my ride is on wait. I date. Let's say I'm real. We raise hell over this head. Satin sheets.
We at the Cigar Festival, just chilling. They grown folks. I hear you. Woo!
I must have rehearsed my life 1,000 times. Memorize only you said how much I do, but you're not there. I'm living in a fantasy. You can buy me.
We still out here, y'all. We at the Cigar Festival. Look here. Y'all know I don't get out too often, but I'm out tonight, so I'm kicking it. I'm kicking it with some of my loyal